Hey guys, Ryan from Combat Off-Road again. Just a little update for you guys, just people who have the Rubicon OEM with the OEM Highline fenders or the Mojave. You're gonna get, so when we package the Hoodlatches, they're gonna come one way, but they're like a multi-movement here. We can do lots of stuff. So you probably noticed the profile coming down, right? The bolt in front, and you can secure the pin forward, right? But then you found when you had that with the Rubicon fender, you couldn't get the bolt in the back, right? So there's two things you can do here. You know, you can run the profile the other way. So the flat edge is at the top or the angle. So on this Jeep, you're gonna have the angle going down, lots of clearance for the fender, bolt goes through the front, and you're gonna attach the pin forward like by design, right? So don't worry about that. So basically that's just a simple flipping of the bottom brackets before you put it on. They go either way, so don't worry about that. There's lots of thread, lots of adjustment, so that'll get you done. And then what do we want to, there's another part to that. Good. So just the other part depends on if you guys are really picky for the profile. You see the flat edge is at the top, right? But you're like, hey, you know what? I want the angled edge at the top. So all you want to do is flip it and just move those accordingly to the other side. You see how that works? So you can have the angled edge at the top, bolts are both through, okay? So just because it comes in the box one way doesn't mean you can't mess with these, okay? So you can flip them side to side, you can flip them over. Like I said, two sides of the Jeep, flat angles top, okay? Boom. I don't want the flat angle top, but I still want them to come forward and I still want to be able to extract the bolts on the Rubicon and the Mojave, no problem. There you go. Angles on the top. So if you had a custom hood, anything like that, these are meant to be highly, versatile. So please pay attention to this video. Any questions? I hope you don't have any because I think this is pretty good. There you go. Get it? So these are separate, right? Once you unplug them from inside the box, you can put these wherever you want, okay? So that's what I want to get at. Simple, easy video. Like I said, this profile's down, but if I wanted to flip it over and swap sides, I could have the flat end on the top too, okay? So there you go. It's my last move.